Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Ishan and you are watching my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime and WhatsApp video call not working in iOS 14. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So guys, first and basic method is make sure that your iPhone is connected to the good internet connection. Guys, if your internet connection is bad, you can't make and receive WhatsApp and FaceTime video call. So turn off and turn on Wi-Fi and cellular data to increase your internet connection. To do this, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Cellular and turn off the cellular data. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. So guys, if you use Wi-Fi connection, go to Wi-Fi section and turn off the Wi-Fi. Wait for a few seconds, turn it back on. Solution 2 is enable and disable WhatsApp and FaceTime under the section of cellular. Go to Settings app on your iPhone, find and tap cellular. Now swipe down and turn off WhatsApp and FaceTime. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. So guys, if this method doesn't work, then try the next solution. Solution 3 is make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. To check that, go to App Store on your iPhone. After opening the App Store, search WhatsApp. So guys, as you can see, WhatsApp update is showing. If WhatsApp update is showing, update it. That's it. So guys, I hope you all know how to fix FaceTime and WhatsApp video call not working on iPhone in iOS 14. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.